6. Amazing fruits for clearer vision. Step into a world of vibrant flavors and eye-pleasing colors as we unravel the wonders of 6 remarkable fruits that not only make your taste buds sing, but also act as vision superheroes. From the sun-kissed goodness of papaya, packing a punch of eye-friendly carotenoids, to the tiny powerhouses of blueberries, armed with antioxidants that battle against vision foes. These fruits are here to make your eyesight the star of the show. Join us on a delicious journey where every bite isn't just a treat for your palate, but a boost for your vision. Let's dive into the sweet and juicy universe of fruits that not only make your taste buds dance, but also ensure your eyes see the world in perfect harmony. Remember, the information provided here is for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice or care. 1. Kiwi. The humble kiwi, renowned for its vibrant green flesh and tangy sweetness, harbors a wealth of nutrients that can significantly contribute to the enhancement of eye health and vision. Packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant powerhouse, kiwis play a pivotal role in protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and age-related macular degeneration. Moreover, this small fruit boasts a remarkable concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin, essential carotenoids known for their ability to filter harmful high-energy light waves and support overall visual acuity. The combination of these compounds not only shields the eyes from potential damage caused by exposure to ultraviolet rays, but also aids in preventing the onset of cataracts. Additionally, kiwis offer a rich supply of vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for maintaining the health of the cornea and facilitating optimal low-light vision. Furthermore, the presence of copper in kiwis assists in the formation of connective tissues within the eyes, promoting structural integrity and resilience. Integrating this delectable fruit into your diet not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also serves as a delicious strategy for fortifying your eyesight and preserving ocular well-being. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and become a part of our family, just click that subscribe button below. 2. Papaya, often hailed as the fruit of angels, is a nutritional powerhouse with a multitude of benefits, particularly when it comes to enhancing eye health and improving vision. This tropical fruit is an abundant source of carotenoids, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which are essential for maintaining optimal visual function. Beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, plays a pivotal role in the synthesis of rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment in the eyes, crucial for low light and color vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin, on the other hand, act as potent antioxidants that accumulate in the retina, shielding it from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Moreover, papaya is enriched with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress in the eyes, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. The fruit also contains vitamin E, zinc, and other essential nutrients that collectively contribute to maintaining the overall health of the eyes. The enzyme papain, found abundantly in papaya, possesses anti-inflammatory properties that may alleviate eye discomfort and redness. Additionally, the high fiber content aids in regulating blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy. Incorporating papaya into your diet can be a delectable strategy for nurturing your eyes. Whether consumed fresh, juiced, or blended into smoothies, this tropical delight provides a delicious and effective way to fortify your vision. 3. Apricots, often regarded as nature's golden gems, not only tantalize the taste buds, but also serve as powerful allies in promoting optimal eye health and enhancing vision. Bursting with a plethora of essential nutrients, these succulent fruits emerge as nutritional powerhouses, particularly rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, a key player in maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin A is instrumental in safeguarding the surface of the eye cornea and supporting low light and color vision. Furthermore, apricots boast a potent mix of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which function as natural shields against oxidative stress and age-related macular degeneration. The high levels of these compounds contribute to the prevention of cataracts and other degenerative eye conditions. Apricots also offer a significant dose of vitamin C, promoting collagen formation and fortifying the blood vessels within the eyes. Additionally, the fruit contains minerals like potassium, which helps regulate intraocular pressure and reduce the risk of glaucoma, Integrating apricots into your diet not only gratifies the palate, but also fortifies your visual arsenal, making them an indispensable component for those on a quest for sustained eye health and improved vision. 4. Blueberries are an exceptional superfood renowned for their myriad health benefits, particularly in enhancing eye health and improving vision. Packed with antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, blueberries play a pivotal role in safeguarding ocular health by neutralizing free radicals that can lead to oxidative stress and damage to the eyes. The anthocyanins found in blueberries have been scientifically linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss in older adults. These compounds not only strengthen the capillaries in the eyes, but also improve blood flow to the ocular tissues, promoting overall eye health. Additionally, blueberries contain vitamin C and E, essential nutrients that further contribute to maintaining the structural integrity of the eyes and protecting against cataracts. Moreover, the wealth of flavonoids in blueberries exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, mitigating inflammation in the eyes and lowering the risk of various eye conditions. Regular consumption of blueberries has also been associated with improved night vision and a slowed progression of visual decline. Incorporating this small yet potent berry into your diet is a delicious and effective strategy to nurture your eyes and cultivate long-term vision health. 5. Orange, a vibrant and succulent citrus fruit, stands as a potent ally in the quest to enhance eye health and bolster vision. Brimming with a dazzling array of nutrients, oranges emerge as a nutritional powerhouse, particularly rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant renowned for its role in preventing oxidative damage to the delicate structures of the eye. This potent antioxidant shields the eyes from harmful free radicals, thereby mitigating the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two prevalent conditions that can compromise vision over time. Moreover, oranges are a stellar source of bioflavonoids, including hesperidin and naringenin, which contribute to improved blood circulation and lower the risk of developing glaucoma by maintaining optimal intraocular pressure. The fruit's trove of nutrients extends to zeaxanthin and lutein, carotenoids that accumulate in the retina, acting as a natural shield against harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. This shield effect aids in preventing degenerative eye disorders, fostering sharper vision, and potentially staving off conditions like retinitis pigmentosa. Integrating the citrus brilliance of oranges into one's diet is thus a delectable and proactive strategy for cultivating eye health, safeguarding vision, and relishing the manifold benefits of this citrus gem. 6. Avocado, renowned for its creamy texture and versatile flavor, stands as a nutritional powerhouse with remarkable benefits for eye health and vision improvement. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids recognized for their potent antioxidant properties, avocados play a pivotal role in shielding the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. These compounds accumulate in the retina, forming a protective shield against harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Furthermore, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, fostering the absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants and promoting the overall health of the eye. The fruit also boasts an abundance of vitamin E, a vital nutrient that guards against oxidative damage and inflammation. Avocados' high levels of potassium contribute to regulating intraocular pressure, reducing the risk of glaucoma. Moreover, the presence of essential fatty acids aids in maintaining the structural integrity of cell membranes in the eyes. Including avocados in your diet not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also serves as a holistic approach to nurturing and enhancing your precious vision. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey today. I hope you found these tips valuable and that they add positively to your well-being. Your support is truly appreciated, and I eagerly anticipate having you with me in the next video.